been doing a few things on this truck, trying to get it ready for driving again. And one of my motor mounts broke on it. This is the second time I think this side's actually broke. There's my new one. And in order to get it out of there this time, I had to pull that off the block. I'll probably be having to take this thing and go welding on it again because my homemade plates done broke loose. But basically all I done was I had that plate right in there over this hole right here, and I had it welded to my frame, but the welder I used, it's just a little 110 wire welder, and it didn't penetrate good enough, so I'm just going to use these right here for now, and I'm just ordering me the actual conversion ones that'll actually locate this part right over the top of that. I was able to find some cheaper than what the original ones that was looked up, because the first time we looked them up, we found them, cheapest one we could find was like $1,000, and the ones we found from this other place are $300 for the set, and we'll probably be putting them in there just as soon as I get them ordered. So, but for now I'll just be using this. So